everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Cassie. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a new favorite of mine that I have stumbled upon, and I am so happy that I did. It is the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Foundation, Concealer, and Setting Powder, and you guys, I'm obsessed. I don't know about you, but I have been wanting to find a foundation and concealer from the drugstore that I could just fall in love with again, because I don't feel like I've had that recently. So I have already primed my face. I use my Touch in Sol No Poreblum Primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into foundation. And I have a new foundation that I'm absolutely in love with. I've only worn it one other time, but you guys, it's freaking bomb. It is the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Foundation, and I'm in the shade 510 Cappuccino. So I'm just going to pump like 2 pumps on the back of my sponge and then go ahead and apply it to my face. Oh, and I dropped some on my shirt. No! So I haven't done like a chatty get ready with me style video in such a long time, and I'm not gonna lie, when I uploaded my Coachella Music Festival makeup tutorial, well, makeup look, it wasn't really a tutorial, I just got like so much love and I had a lot of fun filming it, and I was like, you know what? I need to get back to doing more makeup videos because that's what I started my channel on and that's what I really like. I mean, I like all the lifestyle stuff too, but it just made me really miss like doing my makeup and talking to you guys. Don't forget your ears and my neck too. I gotta remember my neck because this foundation is a little bit darker. Like, it matches my body, but definitely not my chest. Like, look at the difference here. Speaking of lifestyle videos, I feel like recently my content has been kind of like all over the place. And originally when I started my channel a whole entire year ago, yes, your girl has been on YouTube an entire year now. I can't believe it. But yeah, last year when I started my channel, I started off with beauty, but in my head, I was like, you know what? I don't want to get like boxed in, and I don't want to just be known or people to expect one type of video from me. Like, I wanted to do so much. But I felt like in doing that and in filming so many different kinds of videos, I wasn't really showing people who are new to my channel what you're gonna get. And I actually, like, I can't give myself credit for thinking that. I mean, I agreed to it, but I actually got that feedback from somebody on a Facebook engagement group. So one of the ladies in that group kind of told me that, and I was like, dang, like, I always thought that in the back of my mind, but I don't know, like, I just really was nervous about just putting myself into a box. So I feel like I'm gonna kind of like get back to my roots and more like beauty and hair related videos. I love the lifestyle videos as well, but to be honest, they don't get a lot of love. Except for like my cleaning videos. My cleaning videos get a decent amount of love. I just don't want new people who have never seen my channel to come to my channel and be like, what the heck am I gonna get out of this girl if I subscribe? Like, why would I subscribe? You know what I'm saying? And I am trying to build my little community on here, which thank you guys so much. We are almost at 300. It's insane. Like, my channel has grown so much in the past few months. I'm really happy, and I'm so appreciative of everybody who has subscribed and is showing me so much love. I really love it, and I just want to, you know, continue to grow and find new people, and I want them to see a consistency. You know what I'm saying? I hope that makes sense. So with that being said, are you guys here for the beauty content? Like, let me know why you subscribe to my channel. Did you subscribe for beauty? Did you subscribe for hair, for vlogs, for other lifestyle videos? Let me know. Because I don't want to stop doing vlogs or anything like that, but I do want to kind of slow it down. And I noticed that, you know, not everybody watches the vlogs, and I don't want to put content up if nobody's going to watch it. You know, like, that's not the point. So I'm back. My camera died. I went ahead and did my eyebrows off of camera. I don't really do my eyebrows all that great. I really don't know how, so I figured you guys wouldn't care if I went ahead and did that without you guys. But before I go ahead and set my concealer with the powder, I wanted to show you guys something awesome that I love about this packaging. So it has a little lid, and I love that. So that way you can shut it. Powder's not gonna go everywhere every time you open it. I love that. I love it. I'm just obsessed. I love this powder. I like the concealer too. I do wish the concealer had a little bit more coverage, just because I have bags under my eyes, and that's something that I like to hide. I don't want everybody to know how exhausted I am all the time. I also noticed lately that I have really deep lines in my forehead, so it doesn't matter how well I set my forehead, I will always have creases because I have like really deep lines, and I don't know what made me discover that about myself, but I discovered it over the weekend and I was like, what the heck? So now that I'm done setting my concealer, I'm going to take my Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder, and I have the shade Deep, and I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face. So like I was saying before my camera died, I just want to bring some structure back to my channel. That way everything's not like jumbled and all over the place. So moving on to blush, this right here is my go-to every single time except for my Milani Rose d'Oro, but most of the time I am going to be using this. It's just an Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio. This shade right here is my go-to. It's called Vegas, and I know what you're thinking, that don't look like no type of blush, but it is, and it's really subtle. It's like a corally color. I don't know why it looks brown in the pan, but it's definitely like more on the corally side, which I like. I think it really complements my skin tone. So I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face using my Sephora bronzer. Y'all know I don't have any other bronzer but this one. However, I did just place an order on Sephora today, and I'm going to try out the new Fenty bronzer. So if you guys want to see a haul and like a first impressions on that, let me know. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out, because I'm really excited to try some new makeup products, and I haven't made a purchase from Sephora in a super long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes, and I'm gonna take my Morphe 15H palette. I got this in a boxy luxe box. If you guys did not see that unboxing, I will link it up in the cards for you guys. And I just want to create something really neutral, pretty, you know, cute for the kids. I am first gonna take this shade right here called 5 p.m. and I'm gonna put that all over my crease. So yeah, basically I want to get back into doing more makeup, like I said. I also want to like step out of the box, and I mean, doing that Coachella video really just did a lot for me, because I was like, you know what? I can be creative and I can do more than neutral eye looks like I'm doing right now. And also, I just purchased the Lorella On the Edge palette, and that has so many different colors in it. I'm kind of living, so I'm really excited to like play around with that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade Cheers right here, which is like a camel khaki color, and I'm gonna put that in my crease and on my lid as well, just kind of blend it into that darker brown shade that I already have. This color is pretty. This is pretty. So now I'm just taking the two shades that I used on my eye. I only use those two shades, and I'm just going to blend them along my lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with the shade Mixer right here and apply that to my brow bone. I'm not gonna do anything shimmery. I just wanna keep everything matte and pretty. Y'all know sometimes I live for an all matte eye look, okay? So I just said I want to keep everything matte, but I'm like, do I need an inner corner highlight or nah? So I went ahead and applied some mascara. I use my TooFaced Better Than Sex mascara. Y'all know that's my holy grail. Like, she is it, okay? Also, I want to mention that my kids are gonna get in the bathtub, so if you hear like running water, loud, crazy shenanigans, that's my kids. It's just real life, okay? I'm using this Wet n Wild highlight, and this is in the shade Precious Petals. And you guys, I really love this highlighter. It's super pretty. It's a little frosty, but I kind of like that. I don't know, like, I'm into it. Is it just me, or like does everybody else have like one cheek that they just go overboard with the highlight? Because like this one is mine. So if you watched my spring makeup tutorial, I mentioned this little makeup stick by Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Where's Walnut. I use this one to contour, but like I said, they have a ton of different uses. So God, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my lips. I'm going to top it off with this Milani lipstick, and this is in the shade Bahama Beige. And I know this is a really sheer lipstick, but it's also really pretty. So I like how the Milani lipstick added a nice sheen to my lips. I think they definitely needed it. They were looking a little dead for a second, not gonna lie. But I also like how this is like my perfect nude. Like, this is my skin color. It's kind of crazy. I like it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you not? Should I have gone with another color? If you think that I should have done another color on my lips, let me know down in the comments below what color you think I should have done. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you want to see from me here on my channel. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.